Ah, the 90s, a decade of culinary delights that still tickles our taste buds. Do you recall those favourite foods that defined the era, those delectable treats that made us drool in front of the television? Starting with the iconic Dunkaroos, the mini cookies you dunked in frosting. Then the unforgettable taste of the Orbits, a beverage with edible balls floating around. Who can forget the colourful fruit gushers that exploded with sweet nectar in every bite? Remember the Pop-Tarts Crunch cereal, a breakfast delight that brought the goodness of Pop-Tarts to your cereal bowl? And let's not forget Surge, the citrusy soda that gave you a jolt of energy. Ah, the joy of munching on a bagel bites after school, or the fun of assembling your Lunchables pizza. How many of these 90s favourites do you remember, and how many do you still enjoy today? Now, if you're feeling nostalgic and craving a taste of the 90s, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's take a delicious walk down memory lane together. Until next time.